Tom Brady, you son of a gun. You gave me money. You gave TJ money. And I want to thank you for funding him and making it so that I can continue strutting my stuff, swirling my hair, and looking just so damn fine. Headbutting people left and right and getting bashed in the knee with giant hammers. Go to hell!